How to share your Netflix account with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can share your Netflix account with your friends. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, what you want to do is simply make sure you have downloaded or updated the Netflix app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Netflix, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Netflix app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you're logged in, by default it will ask you to switch to profiles. Now the way to share your Netflix account with friends is that you have to create multiple profiles, and when your friend try to log into your account, they can simply create a new profile and then they can watch with that profile. Now currently on Netflix, only 5 profiles is actually supported on my premium Ultra HD plan. So what I will do is I will just tap on this add profile button and I will enter the name for my friend to whom I want to share this with today. And once I enter the name of that particular profile, if you want to turn on kids profile, then you can turn on this as well if you really want to, or else you could turn this off and then just tap on the save icon which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen. As you tap on the save icon, now when your friends log into their account, they can simply go to this particular profile over here. Now keep in mind that they might as well need the account credentials, but then after you log in, you can basically just go ahead and then use their own profile. So if you have multiple friends, you can go ahead and then manage profiles over here, and then you can remove a particular profile if you want to, and you can go ahead and simply log into that particular profile in order to go ahead and watch Netflix in that way. But this is it. This is how you can share your Netflix accounts with friends, not only friends but also your families and siblings. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.